Backhoes and excavators have similar functions in any industry that make it difficult to tell them apart. Here are the three main ways that make the backhoe and excavator different from each other. Size. Excavators are larger and heavier, perfect for demolition, mining, and overall large-scale industrial projects. On the contrary, backhoes are smaller and adaptable, making them better for farming, loading jobs, and medium-scale construction projects. Versatility. Excavators and backhoes are both offer various attachment options. But backhoes have a more excellent selection of attachments, making them possible to work a broad scope of tasks. Rotation. The excavator operator can rotate the entire machine's chassis and arm together in a complete circle, while a backhoe's arm only pivots across a range of about 200 degrees. It is challenging to decide which equipment is appropriate for the job. Call 469-370-7501 or email us at info@interstateheavyequipment.com to learn everything you need to know about types of heavy equipment so you can make the best decision possible.